Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic little gadget perfect for anyone just starting out with drones, especially the younger pilots. This is the GoolRC M2 mini drone, and it's packed with features designed to make flying easy and fun. Right out of the box, you notice how compact this drone is. It measures just 3.8 inches by 3.8 inches, making it truly pocket-sized and super portable. It comes in a cool blue color and features vibrant, colorful LED lights that aren't just for show. They make it look awesome, especially when flying indoors or as dust settles in. The full propeller guards are a great addition, offering protection for the drone itself and peace of mind when it's being flown by beginners. This drone is specifically marketed towards kids and beginners, and you can see why with its user-friendly design. It boasts easy one-key operations. Want to get in the air? Just hit the one-key takeoff button. Ready to land? There's a one-key landing. If you get into a tricky spot, there's even a one-key stop and a one-key back function to bring it towards you. These simple controls really lower the barrier to entry and let new pilots focus on the fun of flying rather than complex maneuvers. Another feature that makes this drone incredibly stable is the altitude hold function. Once you get it to a certain height, it will automatically maintain that altitude, allowing for much smoother flights and making it easier to capture photos or just hover in place. This is a game changer for beginners who might struggle with constantly adjusting the throttle. For those still getting the hang of drone orientation, the headless mode is a lifesaver. With headless mode engaged, the drone's direction is relative to the pilot, not the drone itself. Push forward on the stick, and it flies away from you, regardless of which way the drone's front is pointing. This simplifies control immensely and is a preferred feature for many new hobbyists. And for a bit of extra excitement, this mini drone can perform 360-degree flips with just the push of a button. It also has 3 speed modes, allowing pilots to start slow and work their way up as they gain confidence. The package includes everything you need to get started, except for the 3 AAA batteries required for the remote control. You get the drone itself, one rechargeable 3.7V 300 mAh LiPo battery, which provides about 10 minutes of flight time, a USB charging cable, a small screwdriver for spare propellers, which are always handy, and a user manual to guide you through everything. Overall, the GoolRC M2 mini drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-fly, durable, and fun first drone. Its combination of safety features like propeller guards, beginner-friendly controls like one-key operations and altitude hold, and fun elements like LED lights and flips make it a fantastic gift or toy for boys and girls aged 8 to 12, or really any beginner wanting to experience the joy of flying a quadcopter.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.